Do you see the shiny, sparkly tower behind me? Well, this is not your ordinary hotel residences. This is an office building. Yes, you heard me right. I mean, we're talking about Lumina Residences by Omniath here in Business Bay. This is a 47 floors right in front of the Business Bay metro station. You know how Dubai gets crazy about real estate and they come with most absurd yet most intriguing buildings? Well, this is one of them. You see the building behind me? It's shiny. It nearly looks like a hotel. But guess what? It's not a hotel. This is an office building. These are office spaces. Yes, you heard me right. This is Lumina Tower by Omniath. Just like the name says, Omniath is one of the top developers here and they come up with the most innovative yet beautiful architecture. And this is their building. Now, first of all, let's talk about the location. It sits right at the entrance of Business Bay. Like, you have the metro station right opposite to you. What Lumina has is one of the most prime locations. I mean, we talk about connectivity, you are just one step away from the metro station. It's just 10 minutes from downtown, just 10 minutes from DIFC, and you're in one of the most business hubs. That's you're in Business Bay. Now, this building is 260 meters tall. That means it has about 47 floors. And here you're getting different kinds of units. I mean, in one floor, you're getting 3 units. Next, you have the 2 units, and then you have the whole floors. For the starting sizes, you're getting about 4,056 square feet, going all the way up to the full floors, which is about 16,000 square feet. Here you have only 91 exclusive units. It is the best chance for you to get that rental because this building is not like any other launches. And not only that, one major thing is that this office building comes with amenities. I mean, have you heard of any other office spaces that concentrates on wellness? Well, this is one of the most unique part about Omniath, that they come up with the most unique concepts. So talking about the amenities, you have amenities such as swimming pool, gym, sauna room. I mean, think about it. You get out from a meeting, a stressful meeting, just want to unwind and just want to relax. You have all the amenities right there. So this is one of the plus features of this building. And for the most dramatic part, they have something called as the Sky Theatre. Now, just like the name sounds, it is a big, massive room wherein you can hold events, be it monthly events or the annual events. It's a beautiful, where you have an ample amount of space with beautiful views. And talking about the building as a whole, this is one of the most top developers who is known for skyscrapers in China. They are constructing this beautiful masterpiece. Not only that, even the smallest of the smallest details, as in each floor comes with a balcony, each unit over here comes with a balcony. Not only that, you have the double-decker elevators right here. Now, this is something more premium, this is something more luxury, and it is worth buying at the moment. Talking about the payment plan, it's a 50-50 payment plan. Handover will be in Q4 of 2029. This is Omniath's one of the beautiful masterpiece. So if you're interested or want to know more, then contact me on the number given below and I will catch you back in the next video.